What's going on, YouTube? All right, we are here right now. We're gonna do an unbagging because my DJI Mini 4 Pro came in a bag. Also, what I have here is my RC from the DJI Mavic 3 Classic. I'm gonna compare those to the controller that comes with this. And I have purchased, I don't know if you can see that. These are for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Couldn't find any in-stock Mini 4 Pro ND filters, so we're going to see if these fit. If they don't, they're going back. I do have a set of those on order. Couldn't tell you when they're going to get here. It could be like November or December, so we'll see. Let's go ahead and start doing this. We're going to go ahead and unbox this guy right quick. Got my trusty dusty box opener. Nothing else in the bag. This I purchased from Best Buy. So it came with a little Best Buy slip on here. The box is really tiny. I mean, it's not bad, right? After we do the unboxing, we're going to charge this up and we are going to do a first flight video. So let's go ahead, without further ado, quit wasting time and get this puppy unboxed. Now, I didn't purchase the DJI Mini 4 Pro with the RC with the built-in screen. I got the cheaper version. It was like $750 or something like that. So this, I'm assuming, is the controller. If you guys can see that, we'll go ahead and take this out of the box. Looking up at the overhead. All right, so we got a couple pairs of extra props. USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C. This is a screwdriver, and what I'm assuming is for the props. Inside of this bag, we also have a bunch of other goodies. If I can open it using the knife. Having a hard time opening plastic right now. Get your quick start guides, all of your instruction manuals. There is a little DJI Store app and a Light Cut app. QR code for the Mini 4 Pro. Nothing else really too spectacular in there. Nothing else in the bag. All right, so really quick, just side by side. So as you can see, there is a difference. Obviously, this controller is a little bit bigger. This one has that, if I can open it. There we go. And inside of here, there is an Apple Lightning cable already installed for you. I'm not necessarily crazy about this. I kind of like how the old DJI drones were, where they had the controller of the screen and your cell phone underneath. Now, as far as the sticks go, that is actually a different style, if I don't lose that one, to the one that came with the 3 Classic. Now, if you can see that, this one's padded. Going on the other head because for some reason the other camera doesn't want to focus real right. So there's that one from the Mini 4 Pro. And then this is the one that comes with the Classic. So you can see there's a little bit of difference in there. All right, now I'm gonna quit messing with that. As far as the controller goes, I mean, it feels good in the hands. I mean, it feels just like any other newer DJI drone. So if you have like an older Mavic 2 or like Air 2 or whatever, I don't know if those have the same ones. But it does have a port on the bottom for USB-C. That is for charging. No other bells or whistles on this guy. There's a function button, and then there is, which looks like a button to rotate the camera to horizontal and vertical. There's a home and pause button. Then you have your switch on there. So you got sport, normal, and cine mode, and then you have your power and on and off button. Everything else seems pretty similar to most of the other DJI drones. Obviously, the one that came with the Mavic 3 Classic doesn't have a function button on it besides the two up on the back. And then also, because the Classic doesn't have a vertical screen, we don't have that button. All right, put that away. Now, what you all came here for was to see the Mini 4 Pro. Obviously, you guys have probably already seen a bunch of other videos about this. Just checking the box, nothing else in here. So, we are gonna open this guy. All right, DJI Mini 4 Pro. There's a bunch of stickery tape around the camera. I don't know why, but there was. There's a whole bunch of stuff here to take off of this drone. Mini 4 Pro. And you can see on the bottom, Mini 4 Pro, pretty neat. Well, it's pretty neat. There's nothing else in the box, so that's pretty much it. All right, unboxing wise, we're taking all the stickers off. There is, which I think is pretty nice, that prop guard. The gimbal guard is also pretty nice because it kind of clips onto the Mini 4, little padding, and that's pretty much it. This thing is very lightweight, so if I can do this without breaking the props. Alright, so rear ones get folded out first, and the front ones get folded out second. That is your battery. The battery itself feels very lightweight. There really isn't a whole lot of heft to that. In the back, you have a slot right here for an SD card, and then I'm assuming for your charging port. On the top, you guys have probably already seen, we have the newer avoidance collision sensors on the front and the basically front, and then the upper front back, and then the ones on the bottom. There's also an auxiliary light. We have absolutely no power to that right now, so we're gonna go ahead and get this charged up. All right, pretty much as far as the Mini 4 Pro goes, from what I can tell, I mean, it's obviously, it's DJI quality. I did the Mini SE a little while ago, about a year ago or so. I did that review and that giveaway. So as far as that goes, we're going to charge this up and we're going to do a very first flight. Obviously, I'm going to have to connect this all to the app and whatnot. So there's that. Pretty much everything that you get a remote. So if you don't go with the RC with the built-in screen, and you go with the cheaper version, which is like $759. This is the RCN2. So, I mean, it feels good. This actually is heavier than the actual drone. So there's that. And then everything else in the box, you get extra props, a screwdriver, USB-C cables, and the drum. That's pretty much it. So cool. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this, if you didn't like this video, also give it a thumbs up. One last thing we didn't try, I said I was going to do, but completely spaced out. The Mini 3 Pro ND filters. I'll also put this in the actual review as well to see, because if you're like me and you enjoyed shooting video but don't want to have to crank the aperture to 11 on a bright sunny day, you like to shoot with ND filters. So I'm going to try to make this as short as possible. If I can get this thing open, there we go. I guess we'll just do a 16. All right, so Mini 4, you just basically twist that off. Let's grab this ND16. ND filters that I got for the Mini 3 Pro look almost identical. If I can get this lined up properly, which does not seem to want to go on. All right. So it does not seem like the Mini 3 Pro ND filters will work for the Mini 4 Pro. So if you're in the same pickle as I am, trying to get a Mini 4 Pro and ND filters, you're more than likely going to have to order them and wait, because none of these want to go on at all. Alright, so I guess we figured that out. The Mini 3's ND filters do not go on the Mini 4 Pro. These ones aren't necessarily like Polar Pro or DJI, so there's that. Alright, well that's it. Anyways, so we went ahead and finished that. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, also give it a thumbs up. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all the buttons. I'm Jordan, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.